abduction alert regarding the following child, Nevaeh Martin. An 8-year-old female, black, 4 foot tall, 60 pounds, black short curly hair, brown eyes, medium complexion. Child was last seen at 3367 North 38th Street in the city of Milwaukee, Wisconsin on July 11th, 2017 at 10:30 p.m. The child was last seen wearing blue flowery pajama pants and a shirt. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of her mother, Jasmine Martin Williams. They may be traveling on foot and last seen headed westbound from the residence at 3367 North 38th Street in the city of Milwaukee. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Nevaeh Martin, please contact Milwaukee Police Sensitive Crimes Division at 414-935-7405. Persons who may locate the abductor should take no action other than to immediately call law enforcement authorities and provide them with the location.